Hello YouTube, I just recorded the other video about the mat, and without further ado, this is the microscope which was sent to me from Banggood for review. As you can see, it's packed really nicely. That's the first layer gone, and we got several layers of the white packaging material here. Okay, and I repurposed those when I sent out my product, so you might get this in one of my products the other day or another day. So this is the Andonstar USB microscope. I'm sorry guys, I'm too excited I guess. So let's open this baby up. Okay, I will make several videos with this, so because I'm not gonna be able to do everything at once, and I cannot edit the videos and join them from the videos on my phone, so I will make separate videos. So this is obviously HDMI cable, which is quite long. I would guess maybe 2 meters or 3 meters maybe even. Okay, oops, come on out. Okay, this is the microscope with the screen, nicely packed. Again guys, this was sent to me on January 17th, and today we have the 29th, so 12 days including the weekends. So it is quite fast and I really like it. Okay, this is the base. We got a power brick, US plug, which is no problem for me as I have those little guys that you can get everywhere. If you're in America, of course, you don't need it, but for guys in Europe, this is the way to go, no problem there. And then we have the stand, and this is really nice aluminum, and it's really nicely made. I guess that's the end stop. Oh, see, you see how it works nicely if it does this. If it would be badly machined, you would not get this. You see it? This is quality, guys. Of course, this thing is not cheap. It costs around $170 right now. And here you have a USB cable, which is not micro USB, it's mini USB, so they're one step behind on that one. What else do we have? Oh, you get 2 bricks. One is for the light and one is for the camera or microscope. So with this microscope I will be able to make some nice close-up shots. Nothing else in here, but the packaging is top-notch. No problems there. There is no manual in it, so I don't know if there's an online manual for the camera or not. Let's try to put this together. Okay, there's room for the cable. Okay, you can see that goes up there. I have seen some other people making a bigger base for it, so they have a more room to work with. Okay, this is kind of funny with a 220 lamp switch connected to 5 volts. Well, that's okay, it's an inline switch. So okay, that's for that. Well, I might just plug it into my USB hub. Oh, and we see light. Wow, those are quite nice lights though. That's nice. I like that. So you can obviously turn it on and off from here. And I have to say I do like this. This is nice, heavy, sturdy aluminum, not plastic or something like that. Okay, now I got even light to show the camera better. Okay, a Ziploc bag. Kinda tight fit. And here is the camera, the monitor of it. And the microscope. And this is where you adjust the focus. You can hear it, it's a nice movement. So that gets obvious to get in here. And another small detail, guys, that I just saw. Normally on those set screws that hold that part in space, it's just metal sticking out, and of course metal will mar the surface. And as you can see here, you have plastic end stops. See that? Those are plastic end stops, so it won't mar the aluminum. This is a nice touch. You will not see this everywhere, that's for sure. Okay, let's slide this in. I forgot, does it go up in here like that? Yes, it does. Okay, now I'm out of the camera. So you slide it in and you tighten it down. That's it. So now let's look what we have here. I might just hook this up to my computer too, to my laptop. Oh, the cables are really long, so no problem there. Let's plug it in here. I don't know if my USB hub will be able to power this. I might just do it the proper way. Give me a second. I will plug it into this guy. And down where I have my mains. Okay. Now. Oh, okay. Something made noise. Okay, I have to go down with this. No, my camera is not high enough. Put it this way. Okay, of course, what will we show? Our board. Okay, you have to make it so that the gold part doesn't get... Oh, I like it. What I'm gonna show, of course, my name. Well, maybe not. Let me put those in here. And this is really nice. So, of course, you are not gonna be able to see that clearly. Let me try to put this like that. Okay. Let me show you some solder boards might be more interesting that way. Okay, as you see, the chips I'm using are the Mega 328s. And you sure get a good view. I will need to find the manual for the camera so I can see what's going on there. It has quite a few buttons. Whoa, everywhere. On all three sides. That's nice. Anyhow, let me see if we can get this bigger. I guess that's the lowest we can go. Let me adjust the focus. Yeah, oh, that's plenty of magnification. I think it also does have a software magnification. I have no clue what I'm doing here. Like I said, I will check this out and make other videos. Okay, here we go. Here you got the magnification. I think it goes up to 4. And it does magnify without getting grainy. So this is maybe, let me see if I can, you see enough of my PCB. Let me show you a steel ruler. It's so big I can't even get it to show. Wow. Those are 0.0. Oh, I have something else. This might be even better. This is a ruler that I got from Elecro with different parts, sizes and shapes and whatnot. Okay, let's do this. Trace width. Okay, this trace width you see right now, if it's the correct one, yes. This trace width is, yes, 6 mils. You see the mils? So this is 6 mil. A little dirty or dusty, let me see. With my magic thing. Okay, I am showing you this trace here. Oops, I'm not in the camera. This trace is 6 mil. Oh, that was nothing. Okay, now let me tilt the camera again. This is kind of hard to do without shaking. So there's the writing. This is 6 mils, guys. Oh boy. I hope you don't hate me. Anyhow, let's zoom this even further. Here's the 6 mil. 3.2, 3.4, it goes up to 4 times magnification. 6 mil. Oh, that's something else. Oh, and here is a 0402 part footprint that just barely fits in the screen. I like this. So this is definitely a microscope. And as you can see, even with the digital magnification, the picture is razor sharp. And in another video that I'm gonna make, of course, I will hook this up to my 26-inch full HD TV / monitor, and we will see what we see there. Anyhow, this was the first unboxing and quick overview. Just too big for my camera, and I definitely like it. I know there are cheaper ones, but you know how it goes. If you buy cheap, you buy twice. Or some person said once, I'm not rich enough to buy cheap, because you end up buying twice. And asked me how I know. I did it too. And I definitely wanted to review this one, because I think this is one of the better ones out there. And it's definitely high quality. And I like it. And the tilted screen is just perfect for working on it. And the lights are a big plus. Without it, it will be quite dark. So anyhow, thank you very much, Banggood, and a nice lady that is working with me on these. And she's a real nice person. Thank you very much. You know who you are. And looking forward to make more videos of this, and also when in actual use. This is definitely a real nice microscope. It goes up real high too, so if you need space to work underneath, you definitely have that too, as you can see. And let me just measure it. You get almost 15 centimeters of usage room. So there you go. Those, I like those nails. Yeah. Anyhow, see, I can also show you my board now under light. Anyhow, you get the idea. There are just a few scratches here, but those are really minimalistic, so no problem there. It's just no sharp corners. Everything is smooth everywhere. You don't have that. You don't have that too often. Sometimes you get real sharp corners, and here you don't. It's here. It's a little sharp, but it's not like you would be able to cut yourself. There's no way. And I really like this. I like it a lot. Okay. Anyhow, this was the microscope. Oh, I hope I didn't bore you. It's all over 18 minutes now. So thank you for watching. Thank you everybody for supporting me, and take care everybody.